Buongiorno, welcome to Miss Charlotte Robert from Fleur De Cafe. So, how the brand started? You're for the first time here at Esxence. Could you present us your brand?
The whole story is quite funny. Everything started with my daughter. She went to Latin America to work, and she was absolutely enthusiastic about the country. And I imagined, as she was young, that she would marry a Latino and have children and stay there. So I decided to go to Latin America myself, and I went to Costa Rica to learn Spanish. And I was there when the coffee flowers bloom. And it was such a shock, such an experience, an overwhelming experience.
So, what exactly inspired you in creating your own line?
First of all, it didn't exist, because my first reaction was to buy a perfume made out of coffee flower essence, and I found out that it didn't exist. So I thought coffee is one of the most popular drink, and how is it that flower, which is by the million in all coffee producing countries, is not used to make a perfume? And I decided to start on that.
Was it difficult to start? I mean, the creations and the production is 100% Costa Rican or European?
It's 100% Costa Rican, and it was very difficult because it had never been done. So I went to Costa Rica with a master perfumer, but as well I worked with two Costa Rican chemical engineers to find out the best way of extracting the essence. And then, of course, the master perfumer worked on juice, but everything, all the formulation, the packaging, is done in Costa Rica, because in that country you have all very well-educated people, and you can do. You don't need to import foreign people to do it.
Okay, what's the raw material, the main raw material that you used for your line?
The main raw material is the coffee flower. The coffee flower, we pick it in masses, sometimes up to thousands of kilos to produce the essence, because from 1,000 kilo you get a little bit of absolute to put in your perfume.
What about flowers or spices?
Yes, they are in the juice. There are other flowers and spices, but the whole idea is to have to bring out the particular essence, the particular fragrance of coffee flowers.
Okay, so you're here in Esxence for the first time. How do you think your brand should maintain the position, because you want to focus in the selective market? So what's your next step to improve and maintain your actual position?
Well, there are different answers to that question, because we have extended our line over the past 3 years. It's our first event on the European market, and we intend to go on developing the line with other products like shower gel or massage oil. And there was, for example, in Esxence, somebody who came, said we develop shampoo, and we would like to make a shampoo with the fragrance of the coffee flower, because we love it. So I want to introduce that smell, that new fragrance to the European market. And it's a unique product. We are the first one, we are the only one, and I hope that we'll have a very bright future.
Thank you so much for your coming, And thank you for joining Extrait and for being here at Esxence. And see you soon. Thank you.
See you soon. Thank you very much.